In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create table of contents in Google Slides. So we have an example layout right here, and I'm going to show you how I did it step by step. Let's get started. So we're going to start with an empty slide, put in our text, insert a text box. So type in table of contents. Then you can adjust this by making it bigger, putting it in bold, and changing the font style. Now we're just going to align it to the middle, and there you have a red line that would indicate that you are aligned vertically. That's our first step. Next one would be to add our elements. So we're going to start with our shapes. We're going to select a rounded rectangle, and we're going to copy this so we can have a uniform shape and size. And there you have it. We're going to copy it again and put another one on the other side. Now, depending on how many table of contents you have, it's up to you how many you have to add right here. And there you have it. So as you see here, our next element would be our circles. Let's add our circles. Now you're just going to adjust this to how big or how small you want them to be, but make sure they're about the same size as your rectangle when it comes to the height. Now again, we're just going to copy this, align it with our circles and our rectangles, copy and paste, and align them. Again, we're just going to copy the three, make sure they're the same size, and adjust accordingly with the spacing, making sure everything is aligned. So now we add our lines. These purple dots will be your guide, making sure that everything is connected, and paste the same thing. And these red lines will be your guide to align everything from your circle to your rounded rectangles. And there you have it. And now we're going to color them and make sure that the border lines are not seen. So what we're going to do is to select our elements, press on Shift, hold on Shift, and select on the elements except for the lines because we cannot make them transparent. So let's turn our border color to transparent. Now we're going to make all the circles the same color because they're just numbers. They're going to be our numbers. Let's choose a light color one and different color for each of your rectangles because again, these are different topics, subtopics into your presentation. So we're going to choose light colors because they're not too harsh on the eyes and they're going to make our text stand out more. So just go ahead and do that. Select your colors for each of your rounded rectangles. And there you have it. And to add text into our shapes, all we have to do is to double click on it and start typing. So we're just going to put in some numbers. Again, double click on the shape and start typing. Again, you can just format this, make it bold, a different font style. I'm just going to make them bold right here. So again, if you're going to put in your text, just double click on the element. If you don't want it to be aligned in the middle, just go ahead to align and put your text to the left and maybe at the top left corner and start typing. So again, you can just format this into a different font style. Let's say same one as our table of contents, and there you have it. So now that we're done with our table of contents, we're just going to link each element into our slides. So this is our first topic, and we're going to link it to this slide. We're going to do that by just right-clicking on the element, click on Link, and search for the slide that you're going to link it with. So slide number 3. So if you try and do this with a slideshow, you'll see that the cursor will change when it hovers over the first topic. So if you click on it, it will bring you to that topic. Now you also see that there's a back to table of contents text right here, and if you hover over it, the cursor will also change, meaning that it's a clickable link. Now if we click on it, it will bring us back to our table of contents. Let me show you how I did it. So all you have to do is to right-click on your text and link it to your slide. So here we're just going to link it to our table of contents slide. That will be slide number 2. Now again, if we go to the slideshow, if you hover over it, your cursor changes, and if you click on it, it brings you back to the table of contents. And that's how easy it is to make a table of contents with clickable links on your presentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.